What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I wanted to do a short analysis on Proton against USDT, abbreviation XPR. Proton in the last day has gone up quite a bit from 3.3 cents to where it is right now, 3.9, so that's about a 20% gain, but it touched 4.2, so it's like a 30% gain, I think. Yeah, and Proton is at a 350 million market cap, so still potential, a lot of potential. And I actually think the price is showing a lot of bullish signals. As you can see here, at the beginning of October, we had a massive bull run. And what you then tend to see is that the price will drop down and drop down a little bit more, and that it will consolidate. Most of the times, like, you see it consolidate in such an area. Which it kind of did for a moment, although we did create higher lows all the time, so that was already quite bullish. And now the price has actually broken out above this 3.8 cents, let's call it that, has broken out, reached 4.3 and retested off of it. So I actually think that in the short term we can actually see more bullish moves for Proton against USDT. I do want to say that I'm looking at it at KuCoin, just because, as you can see here, most volume was traded on KuCoin, and the gate.io does not have a chart on TradingView, and the, let's see, yeah, KuCoin only goes back to the 24th of August, so I did miss some price action. If you look at the chart of OKX, you actually have more history. But because there's less volume, I do not really trust it. So I just, I try to do the best analysis I could with the technical indicators I could use off of this chart. So yeah, short term I'm quite bullish. I think we can find first resistance at 4.7 cents. So I think something like this could happen. I think the price could drop again to 3.7. It could even drop down a little bit more. I mean, if we really want to get new all-time highs, the maximum support it can have is 3.6, and then something like this can happen. And I think we can actually get more than just the all-time high. I think we can actually go up to 6 cents. As you can see here, the 6 cents has confluences of Fips, and to be honest, from where it is right now, so 4.1, let's say that's a 50% gain. That would place it at, let's say, 500 million market cap. So still, from that 6 cents, there's a lot of potential left for Proton. And this is actually, I think, quite objective and quite honest, and quite reachable. Realistic is the best word for it. So yeah, I think we can expect another pullback from here up until the 3.7 or ultimately 3.6 area, but we don't necessarily have to. I think the price can also go from here, because it has already found a retest of quite a major key level. I think we can also see something like this, like immediately playing out. I do think we will find resistance here at 4.7, and then maybe it will retrace all the way back to like 40 or 4 cents. And after that, I do think that we might be able to see something like this. So 6 cents is my next price target for the next couple of days and weeks. It really depends on if other investors pick up on Proton, if it's covered in the media sites, to be honest, like Reddit, Twitter. But yeah, I think 6 cents is quite realistic for Proton. Yeah, if it does breach through the 3.6, so if it goes like this, I mean, that would just be, I'm not quite sure. We'll probably see a consolidation like this, but to be honest, I don't think that's in play. I really don't think that's in play. I do think we will find support at either 3.7 or 3.65. Yeah, that's basically my opinion and my analysis on Proton, or XPR against USDT. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.